AI SEO Writer. By the way, if you want me to set you up on SEO automation, you can book a free, call with me one-on-one, and I'll help you set up free automation, blog automation at zero cost. And the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. And with this said, the easiest thing to do in order to spike the steady traffic like this is, of course, using AI, implementing AI in your SEO agency. But more importantly, what you want to do is write people's first content. So I call this PFC. So people first content. So in order to do that, you need to enable some knowledge base. So in the old world, whenever we are writing a blog article, so if you go to the customization, and we have something called knowledge base. So we create a template where we upload documents or videos or websites or any kind of information to create a knowledge base, so that it can follow the specific knowledge base to generate articles based on the specific knowledge base. So we have created a 3 knowledge base. Example, one is our AI investor, which has packed with everything from documents about investing, everything about investing, and the money related, finances related, financial handling. And then we have got the another knowledge base which is called SEO information, which I use it to write one of the SEO agency blog articles. So we feed tons of information to create a knowledge base, so that this AI software consistently produce our people first content consistently. So this is what we did, and over the time period we can see we have got the steady traffic, and we did it for something like a month, and in December it started to pick up with all these keywords, number of keywords, and traffic is we are getting steady traffic. Okay, right now till now we have not seen any ups and downs. So this is how to fix slow content production in your SEO agency by adding a knowledge base. Again, you can automate blog automation by using the AI SEO software, but the important thing is you need to consistently produce a humanized AI articles and also write a good people's first content, so that then only Google AI overviews prioritize your information, because yours is a people first. Of course, you care about the people's attention and sharing the original content, and it will show up, like your chances of showing up on AI overviews is high compared to your competitor. So with that said, catch you on the next one.